Hi, this is Ravi Rawal from Technomax Solutions, and today we are bringing you a case study of audio video solutions deployment. First of all, thanks to the client who gave us the opportunity to work on this wonderful project. A very good thing about this project was they were absolutely clear from the start in terms of what were the deliverables needed from the project. And secondly, they were also very supportive throughout the installation process as well. The need was to have a video conferencing solution with good audio quality and which could be easy to use and manage, to make sure that the IT people don't have to be present in the meeting while there is a video conferencing going on. This was a conference room with 20 feet by 8 feet in size. The components that made up the solution included two major components. One was Newline interactive display, 86-inch diagonal size, and Poly Studio, which is an all-in-one video bar. The Newline LED display is an interactive touch panel on which you can do annotation, marking, you can co-edit the documents and collaborate with your team members. You can also broadcast the screen up to 200 participants over the internet via a secure code. Poly Studio is a great collaborative device which has an inbuilt 4K camera, 4 microphones and speakers as well with Bluetooth connectivity. And Poly, as we all know, over the years has been really strong in audio performance as well. Poly Studio has Noise Block AI, which cuts out the unwanted sounds of things like AC, pen tapping or keyboard. Poly Studio has inbuilt acoustic fence as well. This cuts out the sounds or distractions which are coming from outside the meeting room. This we normally face for the meeting rooms or huddle rooms which are near the reception and because of the glass walls as well. And here comes my favorite part. The 4K camera inside Poly Studio has a 120-degree field of view. So this also captures the people who are sitting right next to the camera. And the speaker tracking will ensure that the camera is capturing only an active speaker while he is speaking. And in the group, when someone is speaking, this intelligent camera will actively track that speaker and take him into the frame. And finally, to boost up the audio performance, we had got an additional mic as well. This was to ensure everyone's voice was captured perfectly. Thanks for watching, take care, and do take a look at the installation pictures that follow. Thank you again, bye.
Let's take a look at Poly's next generation group framing and speaker tracking experiences that are part of Poly Meeting AI. So I've got group framing turned on one of our Poly solutions. Now I'm the only one in the room, so I'm the only one being seen. But once my colleagues Bob and Joe come into the space, then you'll see how the camera will automatically sense that and readjust its view to show all three of us at the same time. So now we've enabled speaker tracking. So even though Bob and Joe are still in the room with me, the camera's focused on me because I'm the one actively talking.
But when I begin to speak, the camera's going to make a quick cut to myself and put me right smack dab in the center of the screen.
And then if I start speaking, because I'm a bit closer to Bob, the camera's going to nice and gently ease up to me and frame me in the center.
So that's one really important point of this next generation experience is it's changing different things in different ways depending on where people are located and the dynamics of the conversation. Like if I toss it back to Joe.
If I start speaking again from the other side, you'll notice that the system has recognized that Brian and I are in a conversation and has gone into conversation mode.
So it's got a lot more intelligence to understand the dynamics of the conversation and where people are to always present the best view and change in the best way depending on what's going on.